Well, good morning, guys. I went fishing yesterday afternoon. I wasn't able to go in the morning. A cold front came through and it didn't get through here until about 9 o'clock, and then something came up and I couldn't go fishing. But I didn't have a very good day. We had a low tide. It was at the low point and there was no water movement whatsoever, and had a lot of grass, floating grass in the water, and it's usually more prevalent at a low tide. So did manage one trout, which was pretty nice, and I'll probably show it to you sometime during this video. There we go. Nice trout. Wow, he's still. Gosh, almighty knows. Let's see how big he is. I'm going to say 18 and a half inches. Wow. He's 19 and a quarter. Nice fish. I didn't go all the way up to my usual spot there because there was 2 kayakers there already, so I'll let them have it. It's Friday, so there's always a lot more fishermen out today. One of them is probably my friend Troy. He said he was coming out here today, so oh. The old lizard fish. Thing is, where you catch lizard fish, you catch trout. Does that mean I'm going to catch a trout? I don't know. We will find out. I think I see a fish right up here. Alright, should be able to reach him. Close enough. Still there. There we go. Something small, like a lizard fish. There we go. Oh man, I lost him. That was a good fish. Must have him foul hooked. It's kind of swimming kind of crazy. Yeah, I do. Well, I've got him both in the mouth and the back. And don't go crazy on me. I want to get you unhooked. Nice little trout. Whoa! Come on, there you go. You got it. Finally. I think this is a bluefish. Yes, it is. Wow. Just settle down. I'm going to let you go. Hopefully without getting my fingers in your mouth. Oh, that's a nice bluefish. There we go. Nice fish. Good release. Always check your line after you catch something like that. Toothy critter. That line right there is really frayed, so I'm going to have to retie this. The leader's going to be pretty short, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to do one more drift and I'm going to try the other side. Had to stop and change my camera batteries and take off my jacket. It's getting a little warmer. I want a redfish though. Someone asked me how often do I have to change my batteries. The front camera there, it's on power, so I don't have to change this battery. And I turn it on when I start and I just let it run. The other two cameras, this cap camera and the one on the back there, at the 2 hour mark, and I use that camera to tell me when 2 hours is, I stop and automatically change these because I get about 2 hours and 15 minutes on these other two cameras, and that'll give me 4 hours of camera time, and that's about all I fish anyway. I rarely fish over 3.5 hours. So I think this is something small. I don't believe it's a trout. Another lizard fish. I'm pretty good at catching these things. Pretty friggin' rough this morning. The reason it's so rough this morning is that wind is blowing now the east almost at probably 15, and the tide is going out pretty strong. So as soon as I get out of the main channel, it will lighten up a little bit.
Pretty breezy. You caught anything?
Pardon? I caught one trout and one bluefish.
Got a couple of specks right here. They were small.
This is a good place. The water's really low this morning, and that makes it kind of tough.